Now, ladies and gentlemen, we are here to honor excellence, to applaud achievements, and to cherish your remarkable contribution to the organization. Let us savor the moment and let the magic of the awards night ignite us all to provide more protection to our cooperative members as well as in the communities that we serve. This occasion is a night of celebration, a night of inspiration, and a night of recognition.
Education is the lifeblood of cooperatives. Without it, no cooperative can ever carry out its golden mandate to help people help themselves. Let us build action upon actions. I warmly welcome everyone to this educational forum.
Tell me, will you lie there? Will you find wings? Will you get back up and see it to the end?
We are very honored to be part of your 52nd Annual General Assembly. And this year's theme, A Climate Insurance for Year 1, Let's Connect, Lead, Insure, Motivate, Build, and Sustain, aligns with our own, CCC's own aim towards building climate resilience through cooperation and making enduring partnerships.
If we are really serious in saying that we are the catalyst for change, we are the catalyst for climate resilience, and it will really start from us.
Consider individual needs and aspirations of our members so we can build collaborative resilience and we can do what we call the cooperative action.
In order to safeguard our livelihoods or in protection of our food security, so we're providing climate smart agriculture, climate smart financing, and of course, insurance. So basically, insurance is also a climate smart agriculture practice. So we are considering climate insurance as a CSA or a climate smart agriculture practice.
Build with us! Build with us! Who's gone? Build with us!
We are vulnerable. No? We actually experience the effects of climate change. So it's really, for the Philippines, it's building on that resilience. No? How do we make people more resilient? No? What are the adaptive measures that we can do? No?
Build with us!
Agriculture becomes more, evident. So this mechanism serves as a critical risk management tool for the farmers, providing our farmers with the financial protection they need to withstand the impacts of extreme weather events and recover from losses swiftly.
Pag-asa's strategic programs right now is to engage more collaborative activities with different partners and different sectors that needed climate information and services.
Communities and consumers, wherever we can help, there's really a way for us to do business for good.
Now we turn the page. A new chapter unfolds, one that will shape the future of the cooperative education in the Philippines. Become a partner in progress. Let's build a legacy for cooperative education together.
We continue to excel, expand, and promote cooperatives as alternative instruments to help people out of poverty and make our environment sustainable for the next generation.
Together, let us forge ahead with unity and solidarity. We shared vision of a brighter and more sustainable future.
Being the CEC, we are also the owner, so dedicated to enhancing the satisfaction and overall experience of co-op. It also positioned as a profit center.
As we stand with you in this crucial mission, together, let's continue to innovate, adapt, and protect our planet.
Thank you so much, CLIMBS, for enlightening my mind on how significant and how valuable your programs are.
Mabuhay ang CLIMBS! Mabuhay ang Tagong Cooperative! Mabuhay tayong lahat!
Here's to more fruitful years of partnership, growth, and shared success. Together, we climb higher.
Keeping in mind that these takeaways are implementable, shareable for a sustainable growth among our co-op members. And surely, we can do it by working together.
Build with us. Build with us.